Dodo the dog and Dum Dum the drummer were standing outside a donut shop. All of a sudden, they saw two dacoits with their guns across the road. They were heading towards the Diamond Bank. Together, they raised an alarm. Dodo started barking loudly and Dum Dum started beating his drum. Da da da, da da da, da da da, da da da. Hearing the loud beats of the drum and the bark of the dog, the guards immediately dashed to the scene and with the help of the police arrested them. Hello children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami.
Hello teacher. Hello friends.
In this episode, we will be learning phonics with Monami, and today we will learn the sound of a new letter. Someone is at the door. Who is it? Letter D. Hello, letter D. Letter D has brought a basket for us. Thank you, letter D. Let us see what is inside this basket. Monami, will you please tell us what is inside this basket?
Yes, miss. Doll. Duck. Drum. Dice. Donkey. Donut.
Well done. Doll, duck, donkey, drum, dice, donut. All these words begin with the D sound, and that is the sound of letter D. This is an uppercase D, a big D, or a capital D. And this is a lowercase d, a small d. Will you please repeat after me, children?
Capital D, uppercase D,
Big D, small d, lowercase d, D is a consonant and the sound of letter D is D. So now let us practice the sound of letter D. Let us say it loudly. D. Now let us say it softly. D. Now let us say it to each other. D. Now say it to your friends.
D.
Now let us play a game. You have to find out the sound of letter D in these words.
D. It's in dolphin. D. It's in dumpling. D. It's in doctor. D. It's in dish. D. It's in deer. D. It is in daddy. 3 times in daddy.
Well done, Monami. Well done, children. Time to revise. Which letter is this?
capital D, uppercase D, big D, small d, lowercase d.
And what is the sound of letter D?
D, 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 d.
Well done! Children, hope you have enjoyed the lesson with Monami. In our next episode, we will learn the sound of a new letter. Till then, keep smiling and keep sharing. And do not forget to like, subscribe and share the channel.
And press the bell icon also. Bye. Bye friends.
Bye.